Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a common issue that many Samsung TV users might encounter, error code 189. If you're scratching your head wondering what to do, you're in the right place. Stick around as we walk you through the steps to resolve Samsung TV error code 189. What is error code 189? First things first, let's understand what error code 189 actually means. It's a generic error message that can pop up for various reasons, such as network connectivity issues, software glitches, or even problems with your TV's hardware. 2. Common causes. Now, let's dive into some common causes of error code 189. 1. Network issues. If your TV is having trouble connecting to the internet, it can trigger this error. 2. Software glitches. Occasionally, bugs in the TV software can lead to error codes like 189. Hardware problems. While less common, issues with your TV's hardware, like the Wi-Fi module, could be the culprit. Now that we know what we're dealing with, let's jump into the solutions. Solution 1. Check internet connection. The first and easiest step is to check your internet connection. 1. Ensure Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your TV is connected to the correct Wi-Fi network. 2. Router reset. Try resetting your router, as a quick restart can often solve connectivity issues. 3. Network settings on TV. Navigate to your TV's network settings and confirm that everything is configured correctly. If the internet connection isn't the issue, let's move on to the next solution. Solution 2. Software update. It's always a good idea to keep your TV's software up to date. 1. Check for updates. Go to your TV settings, find the software update option, and check for any available updates. 2. Firmware upgrade. If an update is available, go ahead and install it. Sometimes, a simple firmware upgrade can resolve software-related errors. If the problem persists, let's explore a more thorough solution. Solution 3. Factory reset. A factory reset can be a more drastic but effective measure. 1. Back up your data. If possible, back up your settings and apps. 2. Perform factory reset. Go to your TV's settings, find the reset option, and initiate a factory reset. 3. Reconfigure settings. After the reset, reconfigure your settings and reconnect to your network. If none of these solutions work, it might be time to seek professional help. Conclusion. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on fixing Samsung TV error code 189. Remember to start with the basics like checking your internet connection, updating your software, and if all else fails, consider a factory reset or seek professional help. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and happy troubleshooting.